Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cook cassava leaf. Yes guys, I'm going to be cooking cassava leaf, and the first thing I have here, I have my chicken. Guys, this is strong chicken, and I have my turkey, and I have my beef, and I have my cassava leaf beside it. Yes guys, so I'll be showing you step by step how I'm going to prepare this cassava leaf, guys. So the seasoning I'll be using to boil the meat, I have my black pepper, I have my white pepper, and I have my salt, my maggi and all that. So yes guys, that is what I'll be using to boil the meat. So as you can see, I just add my black pepper and white pepper, and then I'm adding my seasoning cube. So I'm using jumbo seasoning cube. So yes guys, and I have my salt. I'm going to be adding salt like so guys, and and I will be adding my pepper. This is grounded. Yes guys, I will be adding my pepper. This pepper is very hot, so yeah, I'll be adding the pepper, and after adding the pepper I'll be adding the water. Not too much water. I'll be adding water like so guys. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and mix it together like so. After mixing it together, I'll just go ahead and put it in the fire to cook for 20 minutes, because me, I like soft meat. I like soft chicken, guys. So yeah, so I go ahead and add onions. Just slice a little bit of onions on it and place it in the gas to cook. So while my meat is cooking, I'll go ahead and ground my cassava leaf. Yeah, this is the cassava leaf. I'll remove it from the nylon, just like the way I'm doing it. After removing it from the nylon, I'll just go ahead and use this grater for okra to grate it. So if you like, you can use blender, but me, I prefer using this gripper because it's more easier for me. Some people do use blender. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. For now, I'm just going ahead and remove the nylon inside. I'm just removing the nylon. It's difficult because this cassava leaf is from the freezer, and it's block, it's cake, and so difficult to remove the plastic nylon. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. I'm just trying to remove it. So after removing it, I will just go ahead and ground it. Some people do cook it like this, just like the way it is, but me, I prefer to ground it. I like the smooth one. That is why I'm grounding it, but you can also cook it just like the way it came, like this. You can cook it like that. Yeah, that is it. So I'll be showing you how I'm going to blend it, and after I'll go off camera and blend the remaining ones. Yes guys, so I'm using the smaller part of this gripper to just ground it like so, for it to be smooth. So yeah, I'll go off camera and blend the three of them, ground the three of them, and and after I finish, I'll just show you the finished look. Yes, so yeah, that is what I will be doing. Yeah, this is after I finish graping or grounding it. Yes, so this is how it look. Yeah, this is how it look. So what I will be doing, I will be going ahead to check on the meat. This is after 20 minutes. So yeah, I'll be going ahead and check on the meat. Yeah, you see guys, the water have actually dried down. So yeah, I'm going to be removing it from the pot. I'm going to be removing the meat and make use of the stock of the meat. Yes, that is what I'll be doing. So I like frying the meat before putting it in the cassava leaf. Yes, so I will remove the meat and go ahead and fry it. Yes guys, so that is what I'm doing. I'm removing the meat. So after removing the meat, I'll go ahead and pour the cassava I grounded earlier. I'll just pour it inside the stock of the meat. That's the water of the meat. I'll go ahead and pour the cassava on it, the cassava leaf on it, like so guys. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. After finishing pouring it on it, I'll just mix it together like so. So after mixing it together, I will be leaving it to cook for 15 minutes. You have to let this cassava cook very well. So I'll be leaving it to cook for 15 minutes. This is after 15 minutes guys. So as you can see, the water have dried down and yeah. So I'll go ahead and pour my tomatoes. I cut the tomatoes and the onions, so I'll just go ahead and pour it on it like so, and mix it together. And I'll be adding my peanut. This is grounded peanut, so I'll be adding a little bit of it, not too much. So I'll be adding a little bit of it, just to make the cassava leaf smoother, I can say. Yeah, so yeah, so there are different type of way to cook this cassava leaf. You can use peanut and palm oil, like this one I'm cooking now is peanut and palm oil. You can also use coconut oil. Why is it coconut oil? That one you don't need this peanut, you don't need the palm oil. Yeah, so that's another different way of preparing the cassava leaf again. But by the grace of God, maybe with time I'll still be showing you how to prepare cassava leaf with coconut oil. But for now, I'm showing you guys how to prepare the coconut oil, the cassava leaf with peanut and palm oil. So with this guys, you need 100% palm oil for this guys. So you just go ahead and pour the palm oil like so guys. and after that you just go ahead and turn it together like so. So after turning together, I'll be leaving it. I'll go ahead and pour the meat. The meat I fried earlier, though I did not show it in the camera, so I fried the meat. So I'll be putting the meat. Putting the meat, and after finishing putting the meat, I'll go ahead and close it and leave it for final cook, so I'll be cooking it for 15 minutes again, and after it's done, the food is ready. So cassava leaf, guys, you can use it to eat rice. My husband like it so much, so I don't have choice than to learn how to cook it. Back in the days in Nigeria, I don't eat cassava leaf. No, I don't eat it. We don't cook it and we don't eat it. But since I met my husband, I don't have choice than to learn how to cook it and how to eat it as well. Yes, so yeah, I'll leave it to cook for the final. I'll leave it to cook for 15 minutes, and after, my cassava leaf is ready to eat. And eat. Yes, guys, this is the final. Yeah, this is how it look after it has finished cooking. Yes, guys, this is how it looks. Yeah, so guys, yeah, as I was saying before, back in the days, I don't eat cassava leaf, but now it's like it's my favorite. I love it, I like it. Instead of me to prepare stew at home now, tomato stew, I prefer cooking this cassava leaf. Yes, guys, I know it will be so strange. Yeah, as you can see, before my food, my cassava leaf is ready. I've already boiled my rice. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and dash it, the cassava leaf on top of the rice, and just go ahead and eat it. Yes, guys, so yeah, that is it. It's good. It's very, very nice. I like it. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and leave a comment, share my videos, and give me a thumbs up. Like my video, guys, please. It's so important for me when you just press that like button. Yes, guys, so yeah, that is it. This is the final look, guys. So I'll be showing you my rice, how I put the cassava leaf on top of my rice, and then just go ahead and eat off camera, guys. Yeah, so this is the end of this video. Yeah, until I come your way next time, guys, stay blessed and bye bye.